Hello dear students, today I am going to teach you the indicators of acid, base and salt of class 7. Acids and bases can be identified not only through their taste but also with the help of substances called indicators. An indicator is a substance which shows different colors in an acidic and basic medium. Thus, an indicator tells us whether the substance we are testing is an acid or a base by change in its color. Now, we have to study about the types of indicators. Indicators are of two types. One, the natural indicators, and the second, the synthetic indicators. Litmus, China rose, and turmeric are naturally occurring indicators, whereas phenolphthalein is a synthetic indicator. Now, I will discuss the indicators one by one. So, first of all, I am going to explain about the litmus. It is a natural indicator. Litmus solution is a purple colored dye which is extracted from a type of plant called lichen. Litmus has a purple color in water. In other words, when litmus solution is neither acidic nor basic, then its color is purple. When litmus is added to an acidic solution, it turns red. And when litmus is added to a basic solution, it turns blue. Though the natural color of the litmus is purple, it is made into blue litmus and red litmus for the sake of convenience in detecting color change. When an acid or a base is added to it, thus litmus is made into two types, blue litmus and red litmus. Litmus can be used in the form of litmus solution or in the form of strips of litmus paper, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Litmus is the most common indicator for testing acids and bases in the laboratory. One, acids turn blue litmus to red, and the second is bases turns red litmus to blue. So, a convenient way to find out whether a solution is acidic or basic is to test it with the blue litmus paper and red litmus paper turn by turn and observe the change in color which takes place. First, A. If a drop of the given solution turns blue litmus paper to red, then the given solution will be acidic in nature. For example, a drop of lemon juice turns blue litmus paper to red. So, lemon juice is acidic in nature, that is, lemon juice contains an acid. B. If a drop of the given solution turns red litmus to blue, then the given solution will be basic in nature. For example, a drop of soap solution turns red litmus paper to blue, so the soft solution is basic in nature. Now I will explain about the turmeric, which is also a natural indicator. It is also a natural indicator. It turns red in a basic medium and remains yellow in an acidic medium. Thank you for watching my video.